Good morning everyone, this is Poonam Darade from the Fundamental Desk. I'll take you to the market updates and an update on the consumer electrical sector. Asian markets are trading higher, tracking cues from Wall Street overnight, and as investors take note of the data from China. China's CPI data for the month of April rose 1.2% on year-on-year basis. Nikkei is trading higher by 0.3%, while Hang Seng is trading higher by 0.55%. SGX Nifty is trading higher by 0.17%. The US market ended mixed amid concerns on reports that North Korea will proceed with its sixth nuclear test, while strong corporate earnings restricted the losses. The Dow Jones lost 37 points to close at 20,976, while Nasdaq gained 18 points to close at 6,121. On the consumer electrical sector, favorable macro developments like rural electrification, housing and energy efficiency will facilitate the growth in the consumer electrical sector. Residential electricity consumption accounted for around 24% of the total consumption according to the Ministry of Power. Only 4,100 out of 6 million villages which were targeted remains to be electrified by Q1 FY19. Likewise, 26% of rural household and 66% intensive electrification of rural habitation through the Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gram Jyoti Yojana remains. Under the Housing for All by 2020 target announced in July 2015, the Government of India is to build 20 million dwellings in urban India and 29.5 million in rural by 2020. According to the World Bank, India's energy efficiency market is of Rs 1.6 trillion in 2016. EESL promotes energy efficiency in demand-side management through bulk procurement of products at affordable prices. Within 3 years of the LED scheme Ujala, it distributed 232 million LED bulbs, which brought down the prices of LED bulbs by around 88% to Rs 38 per unit. The Ministry of Power extended the scheme to include energy efficient street lights, tube lights and other products such as fan, agricultural pumps and ACs. The consumer electrical industry in India was at around Rs 889 billion in FY16 with an average sales CAGR of 11% over FY16 to FY20. The industry size can touch to around Rs 1.3 trillion by 2020. According to the World Bank, rising income, better electricity availability and demand for housing would be the key drivers for fueling the growth of consumer electricals. The lighting segment is likely to grow the fastest at the revenue of around CAGR of around 17% and fans at a CAGR of around 5 to 7%. In FY16, the domestic pumps market was at Rs 5.5 billion and is likely to post a sales CAGR of around 8 to 10% over FY16-20E. Growth in all the three segments along with the appliance would be led by cost saving via energy efficiency products and better aesthetics, leading to higher demand for premium products. Cables and wires is expected to post revenue CAGR of around 10% over FY16-20E and switchgears at a 6% revenue CAGR led by rising electrification. So these are the developments on the macro front in the consumer electrical sector. So the beneficiary of these developments would be Crompton Reeves Consumer Electricals and Havells India. That's it.